called about the PlayStation before?
Yes.
Cool. It just needed the cleaning, right?
Yeah, it's pretty fucking dirty.
No, it's fine, dude. Oh,
I told you, dude.
that's wild. Yeah, this is gonna be cool. This is gonna be a good one. Honestly, I prefer when they're dirty. It just makes it more satisfying,
Super,
you know.
super dirty.
How far was the drive, anyways?
About 45 minutes.
I'll take 25 off for you since you drove all the way down here.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
Of course. Just give me like 45 minutes.
Sure.
I gotta take the whole thing apart and
Yeah,
just give it a
I
go
get
cleaning.
The thing is, it depends what game I play. So if I play like Rocket League, fine, no
Yeah.
problem. I can play that for hours.
It's just more demanding stuff.
If I play like if I throw on like Overwatch for like 5 minutes,
Just shuts off.
It'll get into a game and
Yeah.
then turn.
It's got no airflow, so.
No airflow.
I'll see you in a little bit. Oh wow. Holy cow. Oh. There you are. And now the vents are actually nice and clean.
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah. And you took it all apart. You cleaned the inside. And
Everything.
stuff,
Just leave a review.
you sure?
Yeah, 1000%.
Thanks, bro.
Of course.
What's your name again?
Leo.
Leo.
Yes, sir. But let me just give you a copy of your receipt too, real quick before you leave. Awesome. And here's a copy of your receipt, boss. 90-day warranty. Of course. Have a great rest of your day.